How to mention someone on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger and log into your account. After you're logged in, click on the group chat you want to mention someone, as it is only available in the group chat. Then go to the message section at the bottom and then type in @. After you type in, you'll find all the people that are in the group. Click on the people you want to mention. Then press on send, which is the arrow. After you send the message, that person will be mentioned on your group chat. And this is how to mention someone on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.